right, sir. How are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hey, so I want to come talk to you about how close you were to that boat you were coming in. So have you heard of the law, speed proximity?
I think so.
Okay, so that law states whenever you're on a boat moving, you've got to be at least 115 feet away from another vessel, a person in the water, or the land. So when you came by that other boat, you're probably about 70 feet away. So you need to increase that distance about 2 times to be the proper distance away from that boat. While I have you here, just to check your safety equipment and get some information from you about your boat. Is this your boat?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have your registration insurance with you real fast?
Can I grab it?
Yeah, that'd be great. Do you have your driver's license with you too?
I did.
You the owner of the boat?
Yes. I believe those in it too.
Great. Thank you. All right, Mr. Edmund. How long do you have the boat?
A couple years.
Have you ever taken any time just to read through the boating laws and be familiar with them?
Yeah, I had that highlight. Yes.
So while I have you here, just going to check your safety equipment real quick. You have your Type 4 throwable. It's a square seat cushion. One, it's used so if somebody falls out, you can throw it to them. Fire extinguisher.
I have a fire extinguisher.
Perfect. Can I see that real quick? You've got quite a ways to go there. Perfect. There's your Type 4. Just make sure it's readily accessible to the driver, somewhere close. That way, if somebody falls off, you can get to it quick, and you can throw that out to them. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. How about a horn or whistle? Great. I do see you have the extra trolling motor there. Do you also have another paddle with you at all?
I think so.
And then either a bell bucket or do you have bilge pumps on the boat?
No, my bucket right here.
Perfect. There's a bucket. And a paddle. Awesome. Thanks for having me. Okay, I see you're wearing your life jacket. Thanks. Just know with that life jacket, it does need to be worn to be on. And then just make sure there's a life jacket available for each person on board. If you have more people, anybody 12 or under, make sure they have that life jacket on at all times with them, okay? All right. So I'm going to issue a citation for speed and proximity just for being too close to that boat. Again, it's a safety issue. That's where we have a lot of our collisions from there. So I'll get that citation written out real quick, and then we'll get you back on your way today, okay? All right. All right, sir. Here's your ID. Here's your registration and your insurance with you. This is a copy of the vessel safety inspection. So you do have all your safety equipment you need. Thanks for having all that. Just a reminder for other violations at speed and proximity here, all right? Citation, just contact the court up here in this corner with that number within between 5 and 14 days, and they'll be able to take care of the citation from there, okay? Do you have any questions about it? Okay. Yep. Just remember that distance, just so you're safe next time, and be careful in the water, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Have a good day.